Montezuma leads the Aztecs in Sid Meier's Civilization VI. He built the Aztec capital into one of the greatest cities in the world. Montezuma ordered the construction of aqueducts and temple complexes, and kept the Aztecs growing through conquest. Montezuma's special ability is called Gifts for the Tlatoani. It makes amenities particularly valuable for this civ. Not only do luxuries give amenities to extra cities, but each different luxury improved in Aztec territory gives their military more fighting power. War and amenities are linked as well in the Tlachtli. This unique building in the entertainment complex gives amenities, faith, and great general points. The Aztec unique unit is the Eagle Warrior. This powerful version of the basic warrior unit can turn defeated enemies into builder units. This ability plays well into the Aztecs' unique ability to use their builders to speed the construction of districts. The Aztecs are a fantastic civ for conquest. Early in the game, the Eagle Warrior will give them a strong combat edge. Each enemy defeated will be an opportunity to speed construction of early districts, bringing your cities online quickly. As you progress through the mid and late game, the Aztecs can establish extensive empires by grabbing new luxuries on the map, and using their amenity bonuses to offset their expansion through military conquest. How will you lead the Aztecs in Sid Meier's Civilization VI?